Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will show you how to remove powered by Shopify. So if you're having trouble with this situation, I can definitely help. It's not too hard to do. But first, let's go actually check our store and let me show you what I mean by powered by Shopify. As you can see down here, it says powered by Shopify, and you don't really want that there because people go in your store and they're going to scroll down and they're just going to know it's from Shopify. I don't know, it's just a weird thing that people don't like. So yeah, if you want to get rid of this, it's not too hard to do. All you got to do is go back to this page here, and now you want to click on online store, and now you go to these three dots here and click edit code, and now it's going to take us to the code section. So I know this might look a bit difficult, but it's actually really easy to do, so don't stress about this. It's not hard at all. All you got to do now is go down here and click sections, and now you want to find footer liquid, which is right here, and now you want to click here in this box here and click Control F, and that's going to bring up this section here where you can actually search for a word and it will find it. And now we write powered and click next, and there we go. It's taken us to 359. So this is powered by link. So you actually don't want this. This gets rid of it. From here to here we want to delete, so you just want to click backspace, and now we click save. And let's go check our store out. So we go back here and click on this here now, and we scroll down, and as you can see, it's got rid of the powered by Shopify. So that's pretty easy to do. It's not hard at all. So thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. Peace.